Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right now, the very beginning, while I got your attention, do me a favor, make sure to go click that subscribe button. Tons of viewers watch this channel and don't subscribe, and I don't know why. If you're not a subscriber, at least leave me a comment. Leave me a comment, let me know what do I have to do different to hold your attention long enough to get you to smash that subscribe button. But if you're a regular watcher, just go check it out. Make sure you click that subscribe button for me. Now, let's dive in. Point of this video, I was in here getting the test bench set up. Yes, we are fully moved into the new building. Everything's good to go. We're gonna get some videos back rolling again, all new for 2020. Try and get back on a regular schedule. You can see a lot of stuff here. It's still a little bit of a mess. Video coming soon on us basically kind of redoing the test bench a little bit while it's all apart. I'm gonna redo some of the wiring. You can see our bars here from Jim's Machine Works, our cap banks here from Excess Power, as well as bars on those. But I'm working on cleaning up some of the wiring, getting this done a little bit different. Things that once we got into using the bench, I realized maybe I should have changed it up a little from the beginning. So gonna do some adjustments there. Video on that coming later. If you want to see that, if you're interested, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. But that's not the point of this video. While I was working on this, I had a little package get delivered. So mail call. Story behind this, what it is. So last week I was browsing the internet and picture scrolled across my Facebook feed and made me realize there was something that I wanted to get, and I failed to do so. So back at Sundown show, we had the guys over at Bassahaulic Productions. Check them out at Bassahaulic.com. They came all the way out to Sundown show, put on a booth, sold some merchandise, and I meant to get over there and get some tees from them. So busy talking to people, going around, didn't get a chance to do so. So after that, I was like, whatever, I'll get some on order from the website. Slipped my mind. Scrolling, a picture came up and I went, man, I forgot, never got some of those shirts. Let me hop on and order them. So last week, I put in an order for my Bassahaulic tees, and they have come in. They even wrote me a cute little note. Aww. So yeah, mail call. Let's open this up, show you what we got. I'm gonna be real careful not to cut my new tees. So let's see what we got. Bam. One of each color I saw listed. Check that out. Black and gray. Now, if y'all aren't familiar with what they do over there, Drew Jones basically does a lot of enclosure designs. So if you're interested, find him on Facebook, Drew Jones, Bassahaulic Productions. Check out the website. If you're looking to get a good design done, he's very familiar with all the Sundown subwoofers, all the Sundown products. Very familiar with them, able to do your custom enclosure designs for your vehicle enclosure, anything you need. One of the things he's going to be working on very soon for us is all new designs for the website. So a little backstory to what has happened to us is initially, I don't even remember how many years ago, honestly, probably a good 6-7 years ago, we did some designs, threw them on the website, just kind of generic, good for all designs. And over the years, between changing hosts providers and servers, and even changing some of the guys we used, web designers, links have been broken, information has been lost, and I don't even know if some of the designs are there. I think some may still be there. I think all the links have become broken. We don't even have the original designs. We tried to redo them, and then come to find out, even the computer that was used to do those original designs that we put on the website, that whole computer is gone. It actually had a catastrophic failure years ago, and we totally forgot that all that stuff was on that computer, that it failed and the hard drive ate itself for breakfast. So all of our old designs are gone. What better way than to update the website? More updates coming to that, sundownaudio.com, check it out. But get one of our team guys that loves to run our stuff, is very familiar with our stuff, and get Drew to do a bunch of designs for us. So look for that coming this year. But yeah, if you would, go ahead and check out the website. Spelled just like this, Bassahaulic, Bassahaulic.com. Get your merchandise, tees, hoodies, koozies, all kinds of cool stuff. If you're interested in design, check him out. And that's it. I'm gonna close it up. So remember, if you like what we're doing, smash that subscribe button, give us a like, thumbs up, and all that good stuff. And lots of videos coming, so ring that bell for notifications. Test bench update, getting it back rolling, get some amp dynos, some different subwoofer tests coming, and brand new for 2020, all new build coming. Everyone's gonna love it. So until next time, guys, we'll see y'all then.